Assalamu alaikum. You're welcome to my channel. If you are new to this channel and you haven't subscribed already, please do and click on the notification button to be notified anytime I upload a new video. My clothing haul is not like other clothing haul, which they go and buy the dresses and come and wear to show you. All the dresses worn by me are designed by Zainab Fashion House. And so, if you happen to like a dress that you would like to purchase, I'll link the sizes of the dress at the description down below. And the truth of the matter is that all the dresses worn here are my size. So, if you realize you're slim like me and you would like to purchase the dress, you go and buy it at measure, which costs 50 pesos only. Then you measure yourself. So if the measurements are almost the same, then you can contact Zainab at zainabfashionhouse22@gmail.com, or you can WhatsApp her on the number that I've linked in the description down below. And Zainab don't mean to be biased, but for now she's doing it step by step because she designs for me to come and wear and do the clothing haul. So for now, this is the measurement the size she's using. So later, those who are extra different sizes will come out. But for now, this is the size that she'll be using, like my size. So without further ado, I know you are all bored to see me talking, rattling like that. So let me go and change out of this outfit and begin the clothing haul. And before I start, if you haven't already subscribe, and you happen to like the video, you share it and you give me a thumbs up. So let's move on to the hauls.
Her name is Laura. We learned a lot of how to do it like we do it, like we wanna. We just know. I ain't one-sided, I'm open-minded. I'm 50-50 and I'm never gonna hide it. You should know. You should know. Oh, summer we've been in the booth. 68 Chevy with nothing to do, just rolling J. Chris loving. And last night, yeah, we go with the dude. I saw him, he was looking at you, so I said, hey, Chris loving. Sometimes I just wanna kiss you. I'm a bad bitch, fuck the bitch. Bitch gets slick, I'ma cut the bitch. I'm a bad bitch, suck some dick. If that bitch gets slick, I'll cut the bitch. I'm in my prime, optimist, Sagittarius, so you know I'm an optimist. Man, keep it all real, I'm a prophetess. So at least you took an L off your bucket list. It's time to make hits and it's time to diss. How you still diss and still can't find some hits? Was it worth it, dummy? I ain't mind a bit. Still on that show, getting no chips, time to dip. All the single ladies, 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 all the single ladies. Now put your hands up in the club, just woke up. I'm doing my own little thing. You decided to dip, and now you want a trip, 'cause another brother noticed me. I'm up on him, he up on me. Don't pay him any attention. Just cry my tears, get 3 good years. You can't be mad at me. 'Cause if you like it, then you should've put a ring on it. If you like it, then you should've put a ring on it. Don't be mad at what you see, I see you on it. If you like it, then you should've put a ring on it. Oh, 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 If you like it, then you should've put a ring on it. If you like it, then you should've put a ring on it. Don't be mad at what you see, I see you on it. If you like it, then you should've put a ring on it. I got gloves on my lips, a man on my hips, and me tighter than my dairy on jeans. Acting up, drink in my cup, I can care less what you think. I need no permission, did I mention? Don't pay him any attention, 'cause you had your time.
This brings us to the end of today's clothing haul. We did like the dresses. I hope you did because I enjoyed wearing the dresses. And if you happen to like a dress, then as I said earlier, you check the measurement, this and that, then you contact Zainab, and all the dresses worn here. I have it with different hijab styles, creating different looks. One thing about my clothing haul is I don't just wear a dress to show you. I create a look with it with different hijab styles. So if you want to see a particular dress with different hijab styles, you can check my Instagram, my Jamila Yaqub. Yeah, my Instagram, and you'll see different hijab styles. And if you find a hijab style that you want to learn how to make it, then I also have hijab tutorials. You can check in my channel, and you'll see them. Then you learn how to apply. Then I really want to know out of the 3 dresses which one you like. And if you have any comments, suggestions, anything, you can leave it down in the comments below, and we'll be sure to attend to you. So without further ado, I've changed back into this. Yeah, I have to change back. So I'll see you in the next clothing haul. Assalamu alaikum.